Hey yo, today we're going to be making the Long Island iced tea. To New York, I apologize. If you didn't notice, we're making the Long Island iced tea. Now, where did the Long Island iced tea come from? Well, one idea is it came from Prohibition. I don't think that's true. Instead, I just believe an idea that in the 1970s, well, there was a contest from Triple Sec to create a cocktail utilizing it. And this bartender from Long Island combined a lot of alcohol with Triple Sec and Coca-Cola. And it won. And it became a staple among sports bars and establishments along the lines everywhere. There's a lot of alcohol in this drink. It's from vodka, rum, tequila, and gin. Combine it with some lemon juice, Coca-Cola, and I've heard it's a nice cocktail. Personally, never had it. So, why not? Let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, first thing, we're gonna need a Collins glass. Also need a lemon. I'm gonna slice this lemon. And before I juice, I also need one more thing. Need Collins spear. Add it in. I make my Collins spears through a mold. I have that mold down in the description below in a link from kit.co, which has all of the barware that I use on my show, from glasses to barware, anything in between. So, now that we have ice in the glass, I need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Now I need 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Mine is a 2-to-1. You can make a 1-to-1, a 3-to-1. I do 2-to-1. And when I say that, I mean that in terms of by weight, measured in grams. And I need 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. And now for the hard stuff. I need 3/4 of an ounce of rum. I'm using a white rum, and thus you could use Bacardi Silver if you want. I'm using Plantation 3-Star. 3/4 of an ounce of vodka. I'm using Tito's. 3/4 of an ounce of gin. I am going to be using Tanqueray. For the final, Blanco Tequila. This is Tres Agaves. You can use whatever you want. That's a silver tequila or a Blanco Tequila. Now at the top, Coca-Cola. Now, some people will tell me, use the Mexican Coke. That's what this is. Real cane sugar, not the high fructose corn syrup. So I actually enjoyed some earlier. Very tasty. So add the Coke off the ice to combine. Now hold on to this for later. Add a straw in, give a light stir, and before I enjoy, the garnish for Long Island iced tea is a lemon wedge. I went with more of a half a lemon wheel. And this is a Long Island iced tea. Cheers. It tastes like sweetened iced tea. You get a little bit of the extra, get a little bit of the funkiness, a little bit of a zing from the tequila, the white rum. The gin, I don't taste it. The vodka, I don't taste it. This is a dangerous cocktail. I'll put this in the same category as the Navy Grog or the Zombie because of how much alcohol is in here. It tastes amazing. It will get you drunk if you enjoy this too much. So, despite the fact that I may want to drink the entire thing of this, I do have other episodes to shoot and I don't really feel like being completely drunk out of my mind. Nothing wrong with that for the other YouTubers, but me, not so much. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. And the barware I use on my show, check down below for a link to kit.co. Has every piece of barware I use for my glasses, to my jigger, the shakers, everything I use on my show in terms of barware and glassware. All my socials are down in the description below. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been the beginner's bar.